Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of deactivate account on the application of Reddit. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Reddit app. In this page of app, on 4 you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Reddit. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.